Oh. Hi, baby dolls. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, I got beef pho and sushi. Dude, I immediately started. Whatever, it's fine. I got beef pho and sushi. I also have these anime girl nails on. Ah, ikidakimasu. But guys, I'm recording on a new camera right now. I don't know that if you can tell the quality. I did like a little 10-second little video the other day, just like test the quality, and it looks really good. But it was not exactly what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be like, you know, like amazing, sexy, like. If I keep hearing the ruckus, I'm literally gonna say something. I'm gonna just, did someone just burp? Okay, anyways, I'm gonna restart. Hold on. No, you know what? I'm not gonna restart. It's fine. I didn't see anybody out there. Whatever. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for Pho. I've been sick the past couple of days, guys. Or not even the past couple of days. It's honestly been a 24-hour bug. And today's Friday, and it really sucks because I wanted to go to work tonight. But, you know, I mean, today I'm feeling a lot better. Yesterday, I was aching. Oh my gosh, dude, I was like writhing around on my couch. Just like it hurt to move. So actually, I wasn't even writhing around that much. But, oh my gosh, no, literally my head hurt so bad. I was watching TV the whole day. But that was like the only thing I could really do. And I actually, a lot of the time, I would just turn off my TV. I can't get this thing open. I would turn off my TV because it was giving me a headache. Everything gave me a headache. I mean, like, I already had a headache, so, you know. But I recovered really fast, though. I don't know if it's because the bug was just 24 hours or if it was because, of all the things that I did to like help me recover. Because I'm not gonna lie, I don't take any medicine when I get sick, and I'm not gonna lie either, I don't have the vaccine. I don't ever get a flu vaccine, and I was never vaccinated against COVID. Like, sorry, my mom told me that when I was a baby and I got my immunizations. Oh, I also got a seaweed salad, by the way. My mom told me that when I got sushi. When my mom told me when I got my immunizations when I was a baby, that it made me really sick. Like, she said I was a very talkative, like, noisy, like, bubbly baby. But when I got the immunizations, though, I like was not myself. I was very quiet. I was like sick, and she just was like, you know, we're gonna take you to the chiropractor and everything like that because the doctor suggested for me to go to the chiropractor. And yeah, so I never have gotten any shots after that. Well, I did get shots for, I think it was steroids or something. I used to have really bad strep throat problems when I was like in 5th grade. It's because I got bit in the neck by a black snake when I was like, I forget how old I was. I was definitely still in elementary school, but I think I might have been in 3rd grade, something like that. But I rescued this black snake. It was hit on the side of the road, and I picked it up, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna take it home. And I literally wrapped it around my fucking neck. I like, not like all the way around, but I was riding my bike, you know, so I just like looped it or whatever, and I brought it home, and it was all good and everything. But then when my family came out to be like, and they were all scared. I wasn't scared, and snakes get spooked really easily, so like, they were like, oh, what the fuck, put it down. And then the snake just like, and it bit me. And I'm pretty sure because I was not taken to the hospital. I don't know why I was not taken to the hospital, but I wasn't, right? So I just, the sickness manifested in my neck, I'm pretty sure, and I just got strep throat over and over again. And I did get shots for, like, steroids, I think, like that. This is the spicy crab roll. It has masago, spicy crab, and cucumber. Is there a party? Maybe there is a party for real, because it's Friday night. But I ain't home. Whatever. Oh, this is a sexy girl roll. It has avocado, shrimp tempura, and crab mix on the top. That one was really good. I think this one's gonna be my favorite though. Oh my gosh. I just spilled the entire pack of soy sauce. Whatever. It'll be fine because then I can dip it in there, so. But, anyways. I just took a bunch of stuff. I've been taking this, like, weird Chinese thing my mom sent me when I got sick last year. And also, guys, I don't really get sick like that. I get sick almost every single year around this time of year, like in January, February. It snowed where I live. It was super cold. Also, I just got my pet rats from the pet store, and I've been kissing on them, and they haven't really completely quarantined and everything like that. So I feel like, and also I've been overworking and I've been doing a little too much, just like going to school, the gym, work, and I haven't had a day off since like Christmas. Since before then, because I came back from Christmas break on the 6th of January, but since then I've been working like I feel bad because like honestly I know a lot of people who work a lot more than me, but I don't know how they do it. Like I'm just like, I'm the kind of person who needs to chill. Like I need to chill every once in a while, like But yeah, if you have been with me for a while, then you know about the nails. These are the nails that I ordered a while ago. There's a story behind them. Because they actually are really cute. But they're, oh my gosh, they piss me off. But I just decided to wear them because I'm like, guess how much I spent on them, okay? Just guess real fast. Okay, they're just like it's not even hand painted. They're just like little mini pictures. And there's like a total of 5 charms, right? And they're duck shape. They're like really aggressive duck shape, like with the points at the end. I didn't want that, but whatever. I want a duck nail, but this is like, you know what? It's creative. I really do. They're growing on me the more I wear them. Oh my gosh, this pho, guys. I'm so excited. I've been eating just straight ramen noodles. Oh wait, but let me tell you about real quick before we get into the nails. Also, I've just been eating ginger, lemon, and honey tea. I swear that helps. Or not eating, I've been drinking it. Taking a bunch of supplements. I did a massage on myself. I did a lymphatic drainage massage, like on my neck. Yeah. And then just drinking a bunch of water, so much water, a bunch of vitamin C. I've been eating, it's not there anymore, but I have this big bag of clementines I went and bought as soon as I started to feel bad. Okay, cheers. But I think it was a Chinese medicine that my mom gave me that really helped. Because last year she sent me a little package when I was sick. And I had that Chinese medicine in it. And dude, it's a game changer because for real, it took me like 24 hours to get over what I thought was the flu. Like for real. So, because my head hurt, my throat hurt. I was like, I had feverish. But I was like, whenever I touched myself, like, you know, not in the pleasurable way, but like whenever I went to like unzip my jacket and I accidentally touched my skin, it hurt because I was like so cold. My hands were so cold. I don't know. It was really weird. But dude, these noodles, these noodles are so stuck together. Hold on, let me try to break them apart. But yeah, anyways, basically, the nails thing. So I've ordered from this girl before. I asked for nails that had anime girls. I asked for extra long duck nails. And these are long. They're not extra long, but you know, duck nails are kind of hard to do extra long. So, you know, we're going to forgive her on that part. But then I asked for pink theme, right? I was like, I want them to be pink. I want them to be super decked out, super amount of charms, right? And she said that they would get there in about a month. And I was like, okay, that's a long time, but whatever. A month, that's fine. She's an artist and she's, you know, busy. She's popular. She has a good page and she's really good because I have ordered from her before And those took for fucking ever, but the quality and everything, I was so impressed. I loved it. I actually ended up sending her an extra tip on Cash App because I was just like, I know they took forever, but like, girl, you really did a great job. I'm so thankful, you know. And then I got these, right? I ordered them in the beginning of last year, like February, and I didn't get them until like June, I think. They only gave me hoisin. Is that like, I feel like usually you get like other sauces like chili oil, stuff like that. Whatever. Actually, I have chili oil. I'm gonna go get some. But anyways, oh gosh, it took me forever. It took like 4 months for me to get them. And I was messaging her. I didn't message her for like 2 months, right? I didn't say anything for like 2 months. And then I finally was like, hey, I just wanted to check in and just see about how much longer you would think for the nails. And she's like, oh yeah, I'll get that to you in 2 weeks or like something like that, right? So obviously I think that she forgot about it. And then 2 weeks later go by. She said that they would be in the house in 2 weeks. 2 weeks later go by. I don't say anything. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to let her just take her time. You know, you don't want to rush an artist. So by the time it was a whole nother month and a half, I was like, hey girl, it's been like 2 weeks and then some, because it's been like 6 weeks now. I was like, do you think that you can refund me? Because I'm like, at this point, I don't even really want the nails anymore. Because guess how much I spent? $300. With a tip. Okay, they were like $260 or they're like two, maybe it was $260. And I don't know, usually I'll try to do a 20% tip, so it must have been like $310 or 20, something like that. I don't know. But they were about $300, give or take some. I forgot exactly. But anyways, and then she was like, oh yeah, like I'll send them. And so she finally does. And I get them in the mail. And I'm just so disappointed. I'm like, these are not like the detailing, like that's a blue piercing, right? And that's actually so cool. I loved it. But I specifically asked for it. I was like, I want at least one nail to have a piercing, like through it. This nail has a charm. This nail has a charm. This one. Like 5 nails had a charm. And I get it. It's kind of hard to put charms on this style. But I was thinking like, you know, be creative. Like maybe for the eyes you can do big gems. Or like, you know, cover the nipples with gems. Or like just like do like a, like, what is it called? Do a perimeter of like each one nail with rhinestones. I don't know. And I didn't ask for every single nail to be anime girl. I was thinking like maybe one could just be like big eyes, and then one could be like the sexy girl, and then one could just be like a freestyle nail with like some like colors and like, you know, God, it was just so annoying. But and I tried to return them to her, and she refused it. It got sent back to me. I was like, what? And I didn't even message her anymore. I'm like, I'm not gonna continue buying from her. That's why I got all this stuff to make my own press-ons. Also, I wanted to start selling my own too. Oh my gosh. But anyways, they look cute. I'm glad to have them, but never again. Oh my gosh. That's so good. I love the mint. Oh, not the mint. Is it mint? Is it basil? Oh, it's basil. But guys, I have a little online crush, right? He's like really funny, and he's like pretty famous. He has like, I honestly couldn't tell you how many followers he has, but it's in like the 100 million, or not, no. It's like at least 100,000, I think. I don't know, I forgot. But he's like pretty famous. He has more followers on TikTok. Oh, also guys, the TikTok ban. I deleted TikTok and I can't get it back. Because like everyone was like, oh, TikTok's getting banned. So I was like, you know, I'm just going to delete it because I I watch a lot more videos on TikTok than I ever like posted, so but I texted him, I replied to his story, and I said, breed me? Oh my god, what's wrong with me? I don't know, because I know I wasn't drunk, and I know I wasn't high. I was just feeling breedable, I don't know. Like, what? That's, like, so bad, though. Like, I'm a creep. I'm a literal, like, creep. Like, if a dude DM'd me that, I would be like, fuck you, get out of here. Well, also, a guy would not say that, but, like, you know what I mean. But he replied. He said, okay. But then I said, please post more. I missed your, like, because he doesn't post that much anymore. And then hold on, sorry. That meat is just so chewy. But anyways, and then I was like, please post more. He's like, okay. Or no, he didn't even say anything because I was like, please post more. And then I sent a separate message immediately, and I was like, guys, like, this is me joking, but like, this is my way of flirting. Like, of course I'm joking because I'm not a gooner, but I said, please post more. I've been gooning to your videos for possibly the most beautiful 24 hours of my life or something like that. And oh my gosh. And he said, prove it. So I sent a picture, or I sent a video of me going like and then I like finished, and it was like my rats, like guys, like, it's just, you don't get our relationship, okay? Like, we're just, and I can't tell you guys who it is. Maybe I will later. Maybe if we keep talking, like, because then he laughed at it. He sent laughing face emojis, but then nothing else was said. So, to be continued. Like, I don't, guys, what's wrong with me? I don't, like, that's so embarrassing. But anyways, next question. But while I was sick, though, guys, I realized that all I can watch is American Dad. Like, well, that's not true, because I do watch other things, but I like to watch new movies, and I like to watch anime shows, but I can't, like, I have to watch American Dad, like, every day. Ooh, I forgot to try the seaweed salad. I have to watch American Dad, like, every day, and I'm not even joking, because, like, that's why I think I have OCD. Instead of, like, it being an autistic hyperfixation, it's more of, like, an OCD thing, because, like, if I don't watch American Dad, I just feel like it's a weird day. And I've been watching it since I was, like, 16 years old. Not 16, like, 13. No, like 10 years old. Like, I've been watching it my whole life. And I've seen this show so many times, I could recite most of the episodes. And if they did American Dad trivia, I would be so good at it. I love seaweed salad. But it's just so funny too. I love it. It's just so funny. It's kind of, it's not for the light heart, but it is hilarious. Alright, I'm gonna get into the sushi, and I'm gonna stop talking because I just wanna have food time. I really hope this camera is good quality because it's gonna suck if I can't upload this. I'm stuffed like a little tick, so I still have some sushi left over and seaweed salad. And honestly, I'm probably gonna finish that in like the next 10 minutes, but I'm like, I don't know, I just get hungry instantly after I eat, so. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, baby dolls. Have a good rest of your day or night. Love you, bye. Love you, bye.